This is a used 2007 Dodge Durango. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, second and third row head airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Parkway Autoplex is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1010 North Main Street, Cedar City, Utah, 84720.